There we go. Good.
We're barbecuing. Just gotta keep the flame down. Bacon and chicken. We don't want it to be burnt.
Yes. Even
Money Bobby home.
You're on the cooking show. Welcome to the cooking show. Looks like it's working. $1?
Oh,
Looks like a green pepper. What's that green pepper doing there?
well, we haven't put that on yet.
What? Are you sure? Oh,
we got enough vegetables. We got corn and zucchini or eggplant.
Eggplant. Oh.
I'm gonna flip these puppies.
Puppies? Oh yeah, baby. I like that one.
We wanted to cook, but we don't want to flame up. You still recording?
Oh yeah. Are you flipping or not?
I'm gonna flip them, yeah.
Turn them over, rotation.
Need some tongs. Hold on, I'll be back.
Tongs. No, what? See, that's on YouTube. This is good. I'll go right here. Look at this go, yeah.
Well, I don't know. I haven't closed. Oh, that looks not too bad. Hey, we're looking good here. Come on, that's what you want. That little brown goodness or whatever. Okay, that one
pretty smoky. Smoky.
Not doing good. Right. Oh, we got some char marks on there. Look at that. Oh, this is looking good here. Okay, the bacon wrap corn, you gotta kind of flip it, because the corn, see, you get the little burn marks on the corn. The eggplant's pretty well done. I'll have to put that up to the side, I think. One more. These ones are... It's looking good. Another Jatso production. Barbecue goodness.
Goodness, it looks like too good for me. I'm a vegetarian.
Oh, this corn.
Corn?
Take the bacon off.
Oh yeah, good luck. I can't even touch it. Yeah, how many days? Another week. Okay. It's called Zoom. Zoom in, baby.
Okay, we need to flame off.
Oh yeah. Chef Boyardee. Chef B, Buddha. Chef Buddha. Chef Buddha.
Oh, we got the Buddha here.
Oh yeah, the Buddha. Oh, I gotta zoom in on the Buddha. Oh, it's pretty small. Well, there's the food for the homeless brothers.
No.
No.
Okay, pause.
No, it's too late. It's too late. Hey, this is Buddy. Where's Buddy? He's right here. Sounds like a Chef Boyardee. There's the chef. He's always got his back to us. Oh, hey Chef Boyardee, excuse me. Hello? Yo. Yo.
I'm just moving some of the chicken around.
Get out of my way. I can't see your, just...
shit here.
Come on, I'm starving. I need a horse. I could eat a Willie Mountain. What's cooking? Oh, well, it's like, yeah. Oh, mine pop me whom. Oh, mine pop me whom.
Close the lid, it'd be like a
What?
nightmare.
I want to see it.
It'd be like a
I want to
burning
see
nightmare.
the action.
No, if you close the lid, it'd be like a burning nightmare. And so, oh, you want to see it? Oh, sure.
Yeah.
There it is.
Oh.
Eggplant is pretty well done. You don't want to
Holy cow.
You don't want to
Yeah,
overcook the
I'll check it
eggplant.
out. I'll check it out. Oh, oh yeah, baby. This is the Buddha cooking. It's called the Holy Barbecue. Yeah. I love that. Just waiting for the food. I'm so hungry. Waiting for the Rainbow Road. It's called the forest fire. It's called the forest fire.
Well, you gotta keep on top of it, right?
Yeah, you gotta keep. It's an earthquake. No, it's a summit meeting.
First off,
No, it's never ending.
I'm editing that out.
Yeah.
Sure.
Oh, what? Pardon me? Oh, yeah. Okay, this is your best cooking... This is your best... What do you call this one? In your face, corn on the cob? Okay, we'll see the judges. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. I'm reading one day. Looks like a forest fire. Roadkill.
So basically, we're gonna turn it down a little bit and just let it sort of.
And
the chicken's got to be done a little more. The corn's not done yet. The eggplant is done. I'm gonna put that off to the side, warm it up.
yeah, baby. Oh. It's called. Oh, I feel like dead. There's a flame. Wee. Wee. Oh. The Q. Part 2 of the Q. Produce.
I hope you like your vegetables.
Okay, we're taking the eggplant off. Yeah, I can't wait. Yeah, I need some more. Yeah, eggplant. Oh, Chef Boyardee.
I'm gonna put this plate on top of it.
Oh, I didn't see it. You gotta bring it up here.
Okay.
I want to see. I'm a critic.
Can you get that? Yeah, thanks.
That's it. And the corn. Everything's on fire. Everything is on fire. You're waiting. Was it ready? Oh. It's ready.
So we gotta flip the chicken a little more, and that's what we like. It's kind of charcoal. And chicken, you want it, you don't want it underdone. Taking out corn, see, I think I am going to turn it down, close the door.
Yeah, baby. Oh, yeah. There we go.
We're still waiting for the chicken to be done. We don't want raw. Oh, it's looking nice. A little bit of bacon around it. The corn, kind of the bacon. But you get flavors. Ooh, that's hot. And we're letting it cook for a little bit longer.
Longer? Oh, well, I could have went through drive-through. Right by, drive-through.
This is homemade food.
Yes.
It's not on a time limit. And it's the Buddha food. Oh, well, the pepper didn't get used.
Well, rainy day.
Yeah, for another day.
Oh, rainy day. Pepper.
Alright, okay. I think it's pretty getting there. It's just
getting there.
Corn looks
Where's
good.
getting?
Corn looks good.
Oh yeah, no music. Forget.
Oh, money pamio.
Oh, man, pammy. How much of corn dogs? I need corn dogs.
Bacon wrapped corn, bacon wrapped chicken, eggplant, roast potato, and
I recommend it. I recommend
toast or something.
I recommend it.
Come on, I gotta chef up some garlic toast.
Chef Boyardee. No, Chef Buddha. No dancing allowed.
No dancing, no gambling.
No girls.
Girls, yeah, no, the llama said the girls are okay.
I thought it's a sausage party. I brought my sausages. Yeah, baby.
Yeah, and then watch. Press stop, and
Pause.
It stops. So you can do like 10,000 videos. You don't have to do on and off every time.
No, I'm learning the hard way. The queue. Oh, wait. What's in the queue? What's in my queue? Chef
Boyardee. Pretty good. Smelling pretty good, right? Does that smell good or what?
No, it smells like cat piss. Of course it smells good.
Don't swear.
Well, I said the urination.
So that one, we're a little worried about that one, but the rest of them are pretty well cooked, and the bacon didn't really work good. But
Hey.
What do you think? First I have to check the roast potato. Then we'll plate it up and we'll... and you can have a fork and a knife and you can eat it.
You can enjoy it.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna be hungry. The homeless ghost. The hungry ghost.